All right, let's jump right into a topic that feels like it's everywhere right now. Artificial intelligence. It's moving so fast and it's changing, well, pretty much everything, especially our jobs. So in this explainer, we're going to dig into what this AI revolution actually means for all of us in the workforce. This is the question, isn't it? It's the one thing that causes so much anxiety. You see the headlines, you see these jaw-dropping demos of what AI can do, and it's totally natural to ask, okay, where do I fit into all this? So much of the conversation gets stuck in one of two camps. You've got the replacement story, where AI is coming to make our jobs obsolete, and then you have the transformation story, where it's a tool that's just going to change how we work. The real evidence, though, points us in a much more interesting direction, towards transformation.
Now, check out this number for some perspective. 10%. That's the slice of today's workforce who are in jobs that literally did not exist back in the year 2000. It's such a powerful reminder that the job market is always changing. It doesn't just end careers, it creates entirely new ones.
Okay, Section 1, the AI job question. Let's talk about a team-up versus a takeover.
So here's the core idea we need to grab onto. AI is way more likely to automate specific tasks within our jobs, not the entire job itself. It's built to handle the boring, repetitive stuff, which frees us up to focus on the things that actually require a human mind. The best way to think about this is that AI isn't your replacement, it's your new collaborator, right? It's the team member who loves doing the mind-numbing data crunching, so you have more brain power left for the big picture strategy, for creativity, for solving really tricky problems. It's a tool that's meant to make us better.
Which brings us to Section 2, Human plus AI. Let's look at some of these new jobs that are popping up.
So, for example, take the AI ethics advisor. This job exists specifically because AI has blind spots. A machine doesn't understand concepts like fairness or privacy or bias. It needs a human to guide it, to make sure the systems we're building are responsible and don't end up just amplifying our own worst tendencies.
Or let's go into the medical field. You have the robotic surgery technician. Now, this is a perfect example of a human-AI partnership in action. The technician sets up the robot, they work alongside the surgeon to operate these incredibly precise tools, and then they handle maintenance afterward. It's this beautiful blend of high-tech skill and critical human oversight.
And hey, it's not just super technical jobs. Think about the creative world. An AI fashion designer can use AI as a creative partner. The AI can sift through mountains of data to predict what the next big trend will be. It can generate endless design ideas for inspiration. It can even help create clothes that are personalized down to the last stitch. The AI provides the data, but the human provides that spark of vision.
So, Section 3, the new career landscape. What skills actually matter now?
This right here is the key difference. On one side, you have what AI is amazing at, processing insane amounts of data, finding patterns we'd never see. But on the other side, you have things it just can't do. It can't feel empathy. It can't come up with a truly original idea out of thin air. It can't think strategically about the future. That's our territory.
You know, as AI takes over more of the routine work, our most human qualities become our most valuable professional assets. Adaptability, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, empathy. For years, people called these soft skills. Well, they aren't soft anymore. They are the essential, critical skills for this new era.
Let's move to Section 4, Skills for the Future. And let's talk about the massive opportunity here. And there is a huge economic upside to all of this. I mean, look at this projection. AI could boost the entire global GDP by up to 7% by 2030. Now, that's not just some abstract number on a spreadsheet. That represents trillions of dollars in new growth, new industries, and new high-value jobs. It really just boils down to this simple, powerful equation. The future isn't human or AI, it's human plus AI. That partnership is where all the real progress, the real innovation is going to happen. So the goal can't be to compete with AI. I mean, trying to outprocess a supercomputer is a game you're always going to lose. The winning move is to leverage it, to use its incredible power to supercharge our own unique skills and do things we never could have done on our own.
And that brings us to the real question we should be asking. We need to stop asking if AI will replace me. The much more powerful and, frankly, more useful question is, how will I partner with it? Just that one little shift in how you frame it puts all the power and all the opportunity right back in your hands.
The future of work is not going to be some battle of humans versus machines. It's going to be about humans with machines, working together to build a world that's more innovative, more efficient, and believe it or not, even more human. The key is our willingness to learn, adapt, and collaborate. Thanks for joining me on The Explainer.